Well, welcome back today to Grandma's Corner 2020. You know that sign. Oops, sorry, just shook that tripod. Okay, so we are going to read a story called 100 Hungry Ants. This is kind of going to go with that video that I did. The ants go marching 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. This is a rhyming book, so it's kind of fun. Notice that I'm in my nighttime gear, all ready to do story time. So, my friends are here. They want to listen to the story as well. So here we go. 100 Hungry Ants. A whole hill of hungry ants, their faces all aglow, came swarming from the forest to cross the field below. A soft breeze flamed the sunshine and whisked them on their way. It hinted of yummies for their empty tummies. That means a picnic. Hooray! 100 ants were singing and marching in a row. We're going to a picnic! Oh boy, a hidey-ho! Say they're pretty excited as uninvited guests. Stop, said the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. Some food will be long gone unless we hurry up. So, with 2 lines of 50, we'll get there soon. I know. So they started off with 100 ants. If they now have 2 lines with 50 in each line, that's still 100. But they can go twice as fast. Oh, that was a good thinker. All the ants raced here and there, up and down and to and fro. There'll be lots of yummies for our hungry tummies, and hey, and a hidey-ho! "100 ants were singing and marching in 2 rows. We're going to a picnic, a hey and a hidey-ho! Well, look what's happening in the meantime. Ooh, got some little scoundrels there. Stop! Yelled the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. More of the food will be gone unless we hurry up. So, with 4 lines of 25, we'll get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up and down, to and fro. We hope there's yummies for our rumbling tummies. A hey and a hidey-ho. So now they're going to do 4 lines with 25 each. And 4 times 25 is still 100. Just like 2 times 50 is 100. You're doing math and reading at the same time. Isn't that cool? 100 ants were singing and marching in 4 rows. We're going to a picnic, a hey and a hidey-ho. See, there's the 4 rows. Stop! Screamed the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. Lots of food will long be gone unless we hurry up. So, with 5 lines of 20, we'll get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up and down and to and fro. There might be a yummy for a gurgling tummy, a hey and a hidey-ho. All right, so 5 lines of 20. So 5 times 20 is also 100. 100 ants were singing and marching in 5 rows. We're going to a picnic, a hey and a hidey-ho. Come on. Stop! Screeched the littlest ant. We're moving way too slow. All the food will long be gone unless we hurry up. So, with 10 lines of 10, we'd get there soon, I know. All the ants raced here and there, up and down, to and fro. There better be yummies for our grumbling tummies. A hey and a hidey-ho. 100 ants were singing and marching in 10 rows. At last we're at the picnic, and a hey and a hidey-ho. Stop, yipped the littlest ant. We've traveled way too slow. There's no food for us to eat. You took so long with Rose. How do you think those ants are feeling now? All the ants raced here and there, up and down and to and fro. There aren't any yummies for our growling tummies. A hey and a hidey-ho. Oh no! "99 ants were swarming from each and every row, in hot pursuit of one little ant who quickly turned to go. It's not my fault, you know." And there's the empty plate of food. Because they took too long to get there. With all that organizing and planning and getting everybody in these rows over and over again, that cost them a whole picnic. And all the other forest friends got to eat everything, but the ants did not, and they went home with grumbling tummies. Well, I hope you enjoyed that book as much as I did, and I hope you subscribe. Have a good day, and I'm already in my nighttime gear, so my friends and I, we're going to get ready to go to bed. You have a good day. Bye-bye.